Welcome to PharmFree's comprehensive guide on hypertension drugs. In this video, we'll explore the brand names, generic names, and therapeutic classes of some of the 14 most commonly prescribed hypertension drugs. Let's dive in. First up, we have enalapril. Enalapril, known by its brand name Vasotec, is classified as an ACE inhibitor. ACE inhibitors work by relaxing blood vessels, making it easier for the heart to pump blood. It is used to treat high blood pressure. It is also used to treat and prevent congestive heart failure. Next, let's talk about lisinopril. Lisinopril, available under the brand names Prinavil and Zestril, is also an ACE inhibitor. It helps reduce blood pressure and prevent strokes and heart attacks. Moving on to irbesartan. Irbesartan, branded as Avapro, belongs to the angiotensin II receptor antagonist class. These medications help relax blood vessels by blocking the action of a chemical that narrows blood vessels. Now, let's look at olmesartan. Olmesartan, known by the brand name Benicar, is another angiotensin II receptor antagonist. It works similarly to irbesartan, helping to lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Next up is valsartan. Valsartan, or Diovan, is also an angiotensin II receptor antagonist. This medication is commonly prescribed to treat high blood pressure and heart failure. Now, let's talk about losartan. Losartan, branded as Cozar, falls under the angiotensin II receptor antagonist category. It helps protect the kidneys from damage due to diabetes and high blood pressure. Next, we have amlodipine. Amlodipine, known by the brand name Norvasc, is a calcium channel blocker. It helps relax the blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Amlodipine is used for the treatment of hypertension to lower blood pressure. Lowering blood pressure reduces the risk of fatal and non-fatal cardiovascular events, primarily strokes and myocardial infarctions. Let's move on to diltiazem. Diltiazem, available under multiple brand names such as Cardizem, Cardia XT, and Tiazac, is another calcium channel blocker. It's used to treat high blood pressure, chest pain, atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter, angina pectoris prophylaxis, and heart failure. Next is nifedipine. Nifedipine, known by the brand names Adalat CC and Procardia XL, is also a calcium channel blocker. It helps reduce the workload on the heart and lower blood pressure. It is also used to treat angina or chest pain. Now, let's look at verapamil. Verapamil, branded as Calin SR, is a calcium channel blocker used to treat high blood pressure and control angina. It is used along or in conjunction with other medications to treat heart rhythm problems, severe chest pain, or high blood pressure. Next up is chlorthalidone. Chlorthalidone, known by the brand names Hygroton and Thalatone, is a thiazide diuretic. Diuretics help your kidneys remove excess salt and water from your body. Let's move on to hydrochlorothiazide. Hydrochlorothiazide, commonly referred to by various brand names, is also a thiazide diuretic. It's used to treat high blood pressure and reduce the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Next is hydralazine. Hydralazine, known by the brand name apresyline, is a peripheral vasodilator. It works by relaxing the blood vessels so blood can flow more easily. Hydralazine is used in the treatment of hypertensive emergency, high blood pressure, and heart failure. Finally, let's talk about clonidine. Clonidine, branded as Catapres and Capvi, is an alpha-2 adrenergic agonist. It lowers blood pressure by decreasing the levels of certain chemicals in your blood. This allows blood vessels to relax and your heart to beat more slowly and easily. Clonidine is used to treat hypertension. Thank you for watching the PharmFree guide on hypertension medications, part of the Top 200 Drugs series. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more educational content.